Hello everyone, welcome to Zaira'z Creative World. Today I am going to make DIY wall hanging using cardboard. Take a piece of cardboard. Draw some squares using a marker. Cut the cardboard into 8 small squares. Separate the squares into 4 pairs. Apply acrylic colors in it. Apply different colors in each pair. The shades of the color I am using is given in the description box. Take the cardboard, take the back side of the cardboard and apply hot glue in it. Take some jute thread and stick it at the back side of the cardboard. Stick the other cardboard on top of it. Now stick all the cardboards like this. Write some chords on the cardboard using calligraphy pen. DIY wall hanging with cardboard is ready. Thanks for watching.